everyone, thanks for tuning into Capgemini Invent's HR and Workforce Transformation interview series. Today we will further dive into the topic of HR transformations enabled by new technologies together with Johann Zillmann. Last time we talked about how HR transformations are empowered by cloud, and previously you have also mentioned service management in this context. So first I would like to know how these two are related and how they can efficiently be combined.
In fact, HR cloud solutions and service management products are closely related. So it's no surprise that parts of their product portfolio overlap. And when it comes to HR cloud solutions, they are focusing on digitizing HR and people management on and off-cycle processes, while service management solutions focusing on data entries, knowledge management, as well as query handling. So they're complementary and should be evolved in lockstep.
So we have already heard about the trends in the cloud space. I'm now curious how strategic HR service management can create more value for its customers with the current circumstances and advancements in technology.
Well, first off, we observed that over the last decades, companies put the customer at the center of everything which they do. So that is because of the move from product-based to service-based economies, the rise of the internet, as well as increased degree of globalization and hence competition. So in terms of HR service management, it means it needs to reduce the time to hire, the time to full productivity, as well as increase retention rates. Superior service management focuses on all key value drivers, which is customer experience, cost efficiencies, time to customer, business growth, as well as data and compliance.
I see. And so how can companies create a more customer-centric approach?
Well, customer centricity requires that you know your customer. So employees want to have their requests solved as fast and accurate as possible. So that you need to install knowledge base articles and actually push them out or provide responses through answer boards to increase the first time right. Also, in terms of human support admins, they need to have the right information at their fingertips, such as remaining vacation days. Now that requires tapping into different data sources as well as adhering to compliance regulations such as GDPR.
Okay, so currently companies are reviewing their HR service delivery and support models. Talking about automation, to what extent can new technologies lead to higher efficiencies in these areas?
Many companies are still trying to find the sweet spot between human and technology support. The key challenge with human support is you need to get them focusing on experience rather than on closing tickets. Now, we've seen a huge wave of tickets in 2020 due to COVID-19. So information interaction technologies represent that first line of defense against those event-driven ticket waves. So overall, HR service management solutions will get more sophisticated and infused by AI, whilst the human touch is here to stay. So you need to build service models which enable business growth through focusing on experience. That requires new HR support, talent, skills and mindsets, which are probably these days harder to acquire, motivate and retain than ever before.
So to sum up, the model and degree of technology application needs to be tailored to the company's service management mission. Yet there are common denominators I would like to further explore with you in one of our upcoming sessions. Until then, thank you all for joining us today and I wish you a great rest of the week.